This video demonstrates arthroscopic tenoplasty in a case of congenital split long head of biceps tendon. This is a 23-year-old male patient with complaints of left shoulder pain following shoulder joint anterior dislocation 3 months ago. Subsequently dislocated shoulder joint 3 times. An out of proportion of severity of the pain even after successful close reduction and gross restriction of movement, a positive O'Brien test, CROSAM sign motivated us to investigate. Subsequently, an MR arthrogram revealed slap tear, anterior inferior labral tear with intact rotator cuff and the biceps tendon. A decision was made to perform arthroscopy of the shoulder joint. Arthroscopic examination of the left shoulder joint in lateral decubitus position shows bifurcate origin of long head of biceps tendon and an anterior inferior labral tear extending from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and superior labrum mid substance undisplaced tear was also revealed. One limb of the biceps tendon was attached to the undersurface of capsule, the other one was attached to the superior labrum. An 18-gauge spinal needle was inserted through the rotator interval. On probing, smooth margin of the tendon with no evidence of traumatic rupture or degenerative changes were revealed. An arthroscopic scissor was introduced to the anterior portal to incise the capsule along the fold till it liberated posterior superior labrum from the biceps tendons. Subsequently, a 4.5 mm full radius resector was then introduced to trim away the margins. An 18-gauge spinal needle was inserted percutaneously through the aberrant biceps tendon and the labrum. A number 2 PDS was inserted into the joint through the spinal needle and was pulled out through anterior portal with the help of a suture retriever. The PDS was then shuttled with the fiber wire number 10 and an arthroscopic knot through the anterior portal was secured with the help of a knot pusher. Another PDS was inserted to the suture hook inserted percutaneously to transtendon portal and was similarly shuttled with fiber wire number 10 and an arthroscopic knot was tied through the anterior portal. Finally, in the end, a standard anterior inferior labral repair with 3 suture anchors and a stable biceps labroplasty with 2 fiber wire can be seen.